It was the first day of spring, and Fred the Frog was very happy. The ice started to melt. Finally, the thaw. He wanted to jump into the stream, feel the sunshine, and enjoy the warmth. Fred heard bird chirping. Ah, beautiful, he thought. A soft breeze touched his skin. He stretched his legs. But oops! He landed in a big puddle. Splash! Then little drizzle started. Perfect, Fred said. A nice spring rain. But when he tried to jump, he slipped and fell into mud. Oh no. He looked around. Tiny buds were on the trees. Small plants began to sprout. The greenery was coming back. Flowers would bloom soon. Everything was waking up. Awakening. The rain stopped. A big rainbow appeared. Wow, a true revival of nature, Fred said. Suddenly, a big stork flew down. Ah! Fred jumped fast into the water. Happy equinox, he shouted, and disappeared with a splash.